boys and girls, and welcome to Wednesday's maths lesson. To join in with this maths lesson, you're going to need your digit cards from 1 through to 10. So pause the video and go and get those now, and then we'll get started. Okay, let's warm up by counting. Let's start from 1 and then count all the way up to 20. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now we're going to start at a different number and keep on counting. Are you ready? What number is this? It's number 3. We're going to start counting from 3 and count on all the way to 20. Are you ready? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Now let's start from a different number. What number are we starting from this time? It's number 6. Let's start at 6 and count on all the way to 20. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, now it's your turn. Pick a number and carry on counting all the way to 20. Pause the video whilst you complete this task. To complete this next task, you're going to need your digit cards. It might help you if you set them out in order from 1 to 10. So pause the video whilst you do that. I'm going to say a number. I'd like you to find that number on your digit cards, and I'd like you to then find the digit card that is 1 more than that number and 1 less than that number. Let's get started. Find the number 5. Can you find 1 more than 5? Find 1 less than 5. Pause the video if you need a bit more time. Here is number 5. 1 more than 5 is 6. 1 less than 5 is 4. Let's do another. Can you find the number 6? Find 1 more than 6 and 1 less than 6. Pause the video if you need more time. Here is the number 6. 1 more than 6 is 7. 1 less than 6 is 5. Let's do one more. Can you find the number 3? Find 1 more than 3 and 1 less than 3. Pause the video if you need more time. Here is the number 3. 1 more than 3 is 4. 1 less than 3 is 2. Have a look at my counters. What can you see? How do you see it? How many can you see? Can you see any groups? Pause the video and talk about the counters on the screen. I can see 5 counters in the middle that look a little bit like a dice. I can see 2 other counters on either side. I can see 3 counters pointing one way and 3 more counters pointing the other way and 1 in the middle. I can see 2 at the top, 3 in the middle and 2 at the bottom. I can see 7 counters all together. That shows me that 2 add 3 add 2 equals 7. It also shows me that 5 add 2 is 7. And 3 add 3 add 1 is 7. What else can you see, boys and girls? Today, we're going to practice our addition using some dominoes. Here is a domino. It has two sides. There are some dots on each side. We're going to see how many dots are on each side and then how many there are all together. Look at the first side of the domino. How many dots are there? Shall we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 dots on the first side of my domino. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's count how many dots there are on this side of my domino. How many dots are there, boys and girls? There are 3. 1, 2, 3. Now let's see how many there are all together. 4 add 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 4 add 3 equals 7. 4 add 3 equals 7. You say that? 4 add 3 equals 7. 4 and 3 makes 7 all together. Okay, now it's your turn. In your workpack, you have a sheet with some dominoes on them. I'd like you to see how many dots there are on each side of your dominoes, then see how many there are all together. Can you say a number sentence? Can you write a number sentence to show the domino? Let's practice on this one. How many dots are there on the first side of my domino? There are 5 dots on the first side of my domino. How many dots are there on the second side of my domino? There are 2 dots on the second side of my domino. And there are 7 dots all together. I can see that 5 add 2 equals 7. 5 and 2 make 7 all together. Go away and complete this work in your workpack now.